Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to write the given expression in the exponential form. So we know that in case of exponential form is represented by a raised to the power n, where a is a natural number or real number, whatever you can say, and n is an integer. So a raised to the power n can be written as a multiplied by a multiplied by a, and this will go on up to n times. So if we want to write 2 raised to the power 3, so let me give you an example. So if you want to write 2 raised to the power 3, then the value of n is 3. So if you want to write it in the multiplicative form, then we have to multiply 2 3 times. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Similarly, if we write 2 raised to the power 4, so we have to write 2 4 times, and all of these 2 will be connected by the multiplicative operator. So now let's move on to the original question, where we have to write 22 multiplied by d. So how many d's are total in there? 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 d's, and total number of x's are 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so there are 5 d's and 5 x's. So x x x and x 2 3 4. Okay, one more. Okay, that's it. So we can what we can do is we can put a parenthesis in before the terms of d and x. So we will have 22 multiplied by, see, there are 5 d's and they are connected with each other with the multiplicative operator, so we can write it in the form of d raised to the power 5. And similarly, there are 5 x's and they are also connected by each other with the help of multiplicative operator, so we can write it in the form of x raised to the power 5. So the final expression gets converted to 22 d raised to the power 5 x raised to the power 5. So this will be our final required answer. Upon checking the options, we see that option A will be the correct answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.